Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to bulk create milestones within your Clickup org or your Clickup instance. So currently I am on a list, and what we need to do first is we need to create the tasks that are going to be our milestone, and then we will bulk change those. So there's a bunch of different ways to do this. Personally, my favorite is just at the very end, just do the add task here, and I'm going to call this milestone 1, milestone 2, and milestone 3. Now, depending on what your project, you're going to have different names. If you're doing this in like a software engineering type world, which I come from, you would do like it passes like code's written, then it goes on to QA1, QA2, stress test, UAT, and then deployed. Those could be different milestones that you could have. But I'm sure that you would put that into a different scenario of putting it into like a Kanban board or something like that. But these are the milestones. So let's go ahead and click here, here, here. So I'm just doing the check boxes next to them. And now you're going to change the task type. So I'm going to go up here to set task type and then change it to a milestone. And you can see there that the icon for completion has changed from a circle to a square, indicating that it is a milestone. Now from here, you can go ahead and create your dependencies and your due dates and your subtasks or the tasks that you want to be done in order to complete the milestone. But that's just kind of a quick, simple how to change or how to create milestones in bulk. Hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more ClickUp tutorials in the description down below.